Selling your home without a real estate agent might seem like a daunting task, but what if I told you it's not only possible but also empowering? How do you attract the right buyers, set the perfect price, and avoid common pitfalls? Whether you're trying to save on commission fees or just want to take control of the process, this guide has everything you need to succeed. Join us as we break down the top 10 tips for selling your home like a pro, even without an agent. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. Setting the right price. The foundation of any successful home sale is the price. Price your home too high and you risk scaring off potential buyers. Set it too low, and you could leave money on the table. Striking the right balance begins with research. Dive into recent sales of comparable properties in your neighborhood to gauge the market. Look at homes with similar square footage, ages, and features. Online tools like automated valuation models can give you a ballpark figure, but don't stop there. Consider hiring a professional appraiser for a more accurate estimate. They'll evaluate everything from the condition of your home to the state of the local market. A small upfront cost can save you thousands later. Don't forget to factor in market trends. Is it a buyer's or seller's market? Are home values rising or declining in your area? Knowing where your local market stands will help you set a competitive price that attracts buyers while maximizing your profit. The right price is your home's first impression. Get it right, and you'll generate buzz, attract offers, and position yourself for a successful sale. Remember, the price tag isn't just a number, it's a strategy. Improving your home's curb appeal. Curb appeal is the hook that draws buyers in. The moment someone pulls up to your property, they're forming opinions. A tidy lawn, a fresh coat of paint, and well-maintained landscaping can transform your home's first impression. Even small touches like a new welcome mat or updated house numbers make a difference. Take a walk around your property as if you're seeing it for the first time. Are the bushes overgrown? Is the driveway cracked? These minor details can deter potential buyers, so address them before you list your home. Think beyond the basics. Adding flowers, repainting your front door, or upgrading outdoor lighting can make your home feel inviting and cared for. Cleanliness matters too. Pressure wash your siding and windows to give your home a fresh, polished look. The goal is to make buyers feel an emotional connection before they even step inside. A welcoming exterior suggests a well-loved home, setting the stage for what's to come. Crafting a winning listing. Your listing is your home story, and it needs to be captivating. Start with a strong headline that highlights your home's best features, whether it's a modern kitchen, a spacious backyard, or a prime location. Follow it up with a description that emphasizes what makes your home special. Photos are crucial. High-quality images shot in natural light can showcase your home at its best. Consider hiring a professional photographer or using a drone for aerial shots. Include wide-angle views of each room, and don't forget outdoor spaces. A video walkthrough or virtual tour adds another layer of engagement, especially for long-distance buyers. Be detailed in your description but keep it concise. Mention key features like the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and any recent upgrades. Use descriptive language to paint a picture. Instead of saying nice backyard, try a lush, private backyard perfect for summer barbecues. A compelling listing sparks curiosity and inspires potential buyers to take the next step. Your words and visuals should make them feel like they're already home. Marketing your home effectively. Getting the word out is just as important as pricing and presentation. Start by leveraging online platforms. Sites like Zillow, Redfin, and social media channels are excellent for reaching a broad audience. Facebook and Instagram ads, in particular, allow you to target specific demographics, ensuring your home is seen by the right people. Don't underestimate the power of traditional methods. A well-placed for sale sign in your yard and flyers distributed locally can attract attention from passers-by. Hosting an open house is another way to create buzz, especially if you promote it well. Networking can also help. Let friends, family, and colleagues know you're selling. Word of mouth can lead to unexpected opportunities. Local community boards and newsletters are other often overlooked avenues for spreading the word. Effective marketing isn't just about reaching people, it's about reaching the right people. The more targeted your efforts, the more likely you'll attract serious buyers. Negotiating offers like a pro. Negotiating offers can feel intimidating, but it's an essential part of selling your home without an agent. Start by understanding your bottom line. Know the lowest price you're willing to accept and any non-negotiable terms like closing timelines. When offers come in, evaluate them carefully. It's not just about the price. Look at contingencies, financing, and buyer flexibility. A higher offer with too many contingencies might not be as appealing as a slightly lower one with fewer strings attached. Respond professionally and promptly to offers. Counter-offers are common, so don't hesitate to negotiate a deal that works for both parties. Clear communication can make all the difference in keeping negotiations on track. Remember, staying calm and objective is key. Every buyer wants a good deal, but you can achieve a win-win outcome with confidence and preparation. Preparing your home for showings. Making your home look its best is critical when inviting potential buyers for a viewing. A well-prepped home can leave a lasting impression and make buyers feel like it's already theirs. Start by deep cleaning every nook and cranny. Pay special attention to kitchens and bathrooms, as buyers often judge the overall condition of a house by these spaces. Decluttering is equally important. Remove personal items like family photos, knickknacks, and excess furniture to create a neutral, spacious environment. Buyers need to imagine their own lives in your space, so less is more. Consider renting a storage unit if necessary to temporarily house items that might clutter your home. Lighting plays a huge role in how a home feels. Open curtains to let in natural light and replace dim or outdated light bulbs with bright, energy-efficient ones. If showing your home in the evening, ensure all lights are on to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget to add a few finishing touches like fresh flowers, scented candles, or a clean doormat to make your home feel welcoming. Lastly, address minor repairs that could deter buyers. Fix leaky faucets, squeaky doors, and chipped paint. These small fixes signal that your home has been well cared for and reduce potential buyer concerns about larger, unseen problems. A well-prepared home shows pride of ownership and boosts buyer confidence. Handling buyer inquiries. Responding promptly and professionally to buyer inquiries is crucial for building trust and maintaining momentum. When buyers reach out with questions, whether it's about square footage, utility costs, or local amenities, be prepared with accurate and detailed answers. A thorough and confident response can reassure buyers that your home is the right fit. Having all necessary documents ready can make the process smoother. Gather records such as your property survey, HOA information, and receipts for recent upgrades or repairs. Buyers often ask for this information to evaluate the property's value and potential costs. Stay flexible and approachable. Some buyers may request additional information or even want to schedule multiple visits. While it might seem like a hassle, accommodating their needs can make them more inclined to submit an offer. Communication is key, so always maintain a polite and friendly tone, even if you're juggling multiple inquiries. Being proactive can also make a big difference. Anticipate common questions and address them in your listing or during showings. The smoother the interaction, the more likely buyers will feel confident about moving forward. Your professionalism can set your home apart from the competition. Managing the paperwork. The paperwork involved in selling a home can feel overwhelming, but it's manageable with the right approach. Start by familiarizing yourself with the necessary documents, such as the purchase agreement, property disclosure forms, and title report. Each state may have different requirements, so research your local regulations to ensure compliance. Consider hiring a real estate attorney or a title company to help you navigate the legal aspects of the sale. They can review contracts, address any liens or encumbrances on the title, and guide you through closing procedures. Their expertise can prevent costly mistakes and ensure the transaction is legally sound. When drafting the purchase agreement, be as detailed as possible. Include terms like the purchase price, contingencies, closing date, and any personal property included in the sale. Clear documentation reduces the likelihood of misunderstandings or disputes later on. Finally, keep all paperwork organized and easily accessible throughout the process. Buyers, lenders, and title companies may request information at various stages, and quick access to your records demonstrates professionalism and efficiency. Managing the paperwork carefully helps you stay in control of the sale and ensures a smooth closing process. Closing the sale. The closing process is the final step in selling your home, and it's where all your hard work pays off. Once you've accepted an offer, both you and the buyer will work through contingencies like inspections and financing. Be ready to negotiate any repairs or adjustments that may arise from the home inspection report. Stay in close communication with the buyer's lender and title company to ensure all required steps are completed on time. Provide any necessary documentation promptly, whether it's proof of repairs or homeowner association details. Delays during this phase can push back the closing date, so being proactive is essential. On closing day, you'll sign the final paperwork, transfer the title, and hand over the keys. This is also when you'll settle any outstanding costs like taxes or utilities, and receive the proceeds from the sale. Double-check all documents to ensure accuracy before signing, and don't hesitate to ask questions if anything seems unclear. Celebrate your success. Selling a home without an agent is no small feat, and reaching the finish line is a moment to be proud of. Whether you're moving to your next adventure or wrapping up a chapter, closing the sale is your ultimate reward for the effort you've invested. Avoiding common pitfalls. Selling your home independently can be a rewarding experience, but it's not without potential challenges. One common mistake is overpricing your home. An unrealistic price can scare off buyers and cause your home to sit on the market longer than necessary. Regularly reevaluate your pricing strategy based on market feedback. Skipping a professional home inspection is another pitfall. While it's not required for sellers, pre-inspections can uncover issues that might later derail a sale. Addressing these problems up front builds trust with buyers and reduces the chances of surprises during the negotiation phase. Failing to market effectively can also limit your reach. Relying solely on one platform or method to promote your home might mean missing out on qualified buyers. Use a mix of online and offline strategies to maximize exposure and attract diverse audiences. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of legal expertise. Overlooking key legal requirements or mishandling paperwork can delay or even jeopardize the sale. Investing in professional guidance ensures your sale is compliant and seamless. Avoiding these pitfalls keeps you on track and helps you achieve a successful sale. And there you have everything you need to sell your home without a real estate agent successfully. From setting the right price to closing the deal, you're now equipped to take control of the process with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Until next time, happy selling, and here's to turning the page to your next chapter.